Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the circuit and protecting yourself. Disconnect the ignition and remove keys now, because stray power will complicate things. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection and choose insulated wrenches. This reduces shock and short risks. Make sure the vehicle is stable. Set the parking brake and chock the wheels to stop movement. You want clear access to the battery post, so remove loose debris and corrosion with a brush before attempting the clamp separation. Next, focus on the clamp hardware. Loosen the nut counterclockwise several turns using the right socket to avoid rounding. Don't force at first. Once loosened, apply penetrating oil around the terminal base and under the clamp, then wait 5 to 10 minutes so it seeps into the corrosion. After soaking, rock the clamp gently with insulated pliers while pulling it upward, alternate rocking and twisting to break the bond. If needed, tap the clamp lightly with a plastic mallet to encourage movement. When the clamp gives, lift it straight up off the post to avoid bending or cracking the terminal. Never pry sideways against the battery body. Once removed, neutralize acid and clean the post using a brush and a baking soda solution, then rinse and dry. Reapply a thin layer of dielectric grease and reinstall or replace the clamp, tightening the nut snugly but not over-torqued. Troubleshooting tip: if the clamp remains immobile, reapply penetrating oil and heat the clamp briefly with a hair dryer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.